Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going deeper into the world of regulatory submissions with a comprehensive breakdown of the Marketing Authorization Application and its 5 CTD modules. What is MAA? The Marketing Authorization Application is the formal request made by a pharmaceutical company to a regulatory agency, like the European Medicines Agency, to obtain approval to market a medicinal product. It contains comprehensive data proving that the product is safe, effective, of high quality, manufactured under strict conditions. The MAA follows a harmonized global structure called the Common Technical Document, divided into 5 distinct modules. Let's explore each one in depth. Module 1, Administrative and Product Information. This module is not harmonized across regions. It contains country or region-specific information. In the EU, it includes key contents: 1. Application form, EU-specific, legal basis of submission, centralized, decentralized, MRP, etc., applicant info, product name, active ingredient, proposed indications and dosage. 2. Product information package, SMPC, summary of product characteristics, a document for healthcare professionals, labeling, packaging information, patient information leaflet, PL. 3. Information about the pharmacovigilance system, PVS, qualified person for pharmacovigilance, QPPV, risk management plans, RMPs. 4. Environmental risk assessment, ERA, evaluates environmental impact of the product. 5. Orphan drug designation, if applicable. Note, Module 1 also includes details like manufacturing sites, GMP certificates, and a list of all involved parties, sponsors, importers, batch releasers, etc. Module 2, CTD summaries. Module 2 provides summarized versions of Modules 3, 4, and 5. These help reviewers understand the core information before going into technical depths. Key contents: 1. Overall CTD table of contents, index for all 5 modules. 2. Introduction, a brief intro to the drug and its use. 3. Quality overall summary, QOS, high-level summary of manufacturing processes, specs, and quality testing from Module 3, 4. Non-clinical overview, written and tabulated summary of pharmacology, pharmacokinetics, and toxicology data. 5. Clinical overview, expert written summary of clinical trial design. Results, benefit risk analysis. 6. Non-clinical written and tabulated summaries, detailed tables and summaries of non-clinical studies. 7. Clinical summary, in-depth summary of trial methods, stats, safety, and efficacy conclusions. Module 2 acts as a roadmap, giving assessors context and a narrative flow before examining detailed data. Module 3, Quality, Chemistry, Manufacturing, and Controls, CMC. Module 3 is the backbone of quality, detailing the entire life cycle of how a drug is made, controlled, and maintained over time. Drug substance, active pharmaceutical ingredient, API. 1. General information. 2. Manufacturers, including facilities and GMP certifications. 3. Characterization and properties of the API. 4. Process description, synthetic route or biological process. 5. Process controls and critical quality attributes, CQAs. 6. Specifications, purity, assay, limits for impurities. 7. Stability data with validated methods, drug product, final dosage form. 1. Composition of the formulation. 2. Development pharmaceutics, why certain excipients were chosen. 3. Manufacturing process and process validation. 4. In-process controls and finished product specifications. 5. Container closure systems, blister packs, vials, etc. 6. Stability data supporting shelf life and storage. This module ensures that the product is consistent, stable, and meets pharmacopeal or in-house standards. Module 4, Non-clinical, Preclinical, Study Reports. Module 4 documents all animal and in vitro studies performed before human trials. It proves that the product is reasonably safe for humans. Sections 1. Pharmacology, primary and secondary pharmacodynamics, mechanism of action, receptor binding. Safety pharmacology, effects on vital systems, CNS, cardiovascular, respiratory, pharmacodynamic drug interactions. 2. Pharmacokinetics, PK, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, ADME, bioavailability and bioequivalence, tissue distribution studies. 3. Toxicology, acute, subchronic, and chronic toxicity studies, genotoxicity, carcinogenicity, reproductive and developmental toxicity, local tolerance. This section helps regulators assess the potential risks and side effects before the drug reaches humans. Module 5, Clinical Study Reports. This is the most scrutinized module. It provides comprehensive data from all human clinical trials. Key sections: 1. Tabular listing of clinical studies, summary of all clinical trials conducted. 2. Clinical Study Reports, CSR, Phase 1, First-in-Human, Safety, and Pharmacokinetics, Phase 2, Dosing Studies, Preliminary Efficacy, Phase 3, Large-Scale Efficacy and Safety, Phase 4, Post-Marketing Data, if available. 3. Clinical Pharmacology, Bioavailability and Bioequivalent Studies, Food Effect Studies, PK and PD analysis in special populations, renal/hepatic impairment. 4. Clinical Efficacy, Study Protocols, Statistical Analysis Plans, Results, and Conclusions. 5. Clinical Safety, Adverse Events, Serious Adverse Events, SAEs, Discontinuations, Integrated Summaries of Safety and Efficacy. Module 5 answers the ultimate questions. Does the drug work? Is it safe enough? Does the benefit outweigh the risk? So that's the full deep dive into the Marketing Authorization Application, MAA, and the 5 CTD modules. These modules work together to give regulators everything they need to make an informed approval decision. Thanks for staying till the end. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to PharmaShowbyseji for more regulatory and pharma insights.